Tandaan nyo, lahat ng galaw nyo, naka-video lahat to, okay?
Okay.
Smile celebrity. Yung ulo, kasi sayang ang bato. Oh, wag ka na masyadong yuyuko, ma'am. Oh, it's okay. You can stand straight.
Okay.
You stand straight is hands forward dress. Kuya, alis ka kuya. Lalabas yung bibili ng cave. Ma'am, upo sa living room.
Okay, thank you.
Kuya, bigyan nyo ng upuan yung bibili ng cave. Okay lang, sir?
Okay lang.
Perfect na perfect. Sir, are you good?
Yes.
Nice one.
I like your chain.
Perfect na perfect. Ma'am, my God. Perfect. At pinapost ang lipstick, perfect na perfect pa rin. Ma'am, are you good? Your head, be careful ha. Have mercy on the rock. Ayan. Uy, walang pawis si ma'am, oh.
Pawis ako.
Okay. Hindi, walang pawis, hindi lata, ma'am. Perfect.
Thank you.
Ma'am, okay lang kayo? Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, just hold my hands, ma'am. Just hold my hands. Hold hands together if we slide together.
Madulas.
Madulas, basa kasi bagong floor wax to, ma'am. Oo.
Bagong floor wax.
Oo, pero ginamit Star Wax, sir. Yung mumurahin lang, kaya mabilis na matuyo. Ayan. Ma'am, sit down in the living room. Upo sa living room, ha?
May soda ba?
You are so entertaining.
Kuya, bigyan niyo ng kape, gata, at saka Milo. Oy, ba't nag-iba yung kulay natin sa likod? Ma'am, huwag kakapit sa hagdan kasi madumi. Dito sa kamay ko, mas madumi pa sa hagdan. Ayan. Ma'am, are you good?
Okay, thank you.
Are you good? Okay lang kayo, ma'am?
I think I'll be okay.
Ayan. That's a perfect, ma'am. Have mercy on your fingernails. Nice one. Tandaan nyo, naka-video to. Pag may mahulog, kitang-kita talaga.
Ay, naku po.
Ito.
Try not to.
Nice one. This is the model of glutathione. Okay. Glutathione mixed with Bilo Essential. Kapit lang sa akin, ma'am.
Ah, baka kami.
Hindi, okay lang pag nahulog, sama-sama tayo. Ma'am, are you okay? Okay. Welcome to the Philippines, ma'am.
Okay.
Sir, are you good?
Yeah.
Perfect. Ma'am, show your unforgettable smile. Perfect. It's delicious but dangerous. Ma'am, are you good? Okay, okay? Okay. Ma'am, yung pedicure ha, ingatan.
Di ba halina, wag lang mahulog at matumba.
Pero don't worry, ma'am. Hindi pa ito mahuhulog, ma'am. Ayan, ingat ha. Ma'am, upo mo na sa living room. Okay. Ma'am, are you good? Perfect. Welcome to the Philippines.
Mabuhay.
Smile, ma'am. Nice one. Okay, sir. Welcome to the outside world. Ma'am, you can sit down in the living room. Sit down in the living room, ha? Okay, sir. Ma'am, are you good? Perfect? Okay, nice one. Show your beautiful smile. Perfect. Yung mga ulo natin ha, kasi yung bato sayang. Yung bato namin kumikintab na sa kauntog yan, ma'am. Yung isa kahapon sa sobrang tuwa, nag-jump shot pa. The last model. Sir, it's your time to shine. Perfect.